Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Shirogorov F95 Nudist here with me. This is a beautiful piece, quite expensive. This was retailing for around $700 and it's made by Shirogorov and it's just fantastic. I love this knife. This is an overall quite, average EDC size. This is 8.75 inches when open. Blade is 3.75 and the handle is, of course, 5 inches. So this is fantastic, guys. It's just a frame lock, titanium scales. I mean, just phenomenal. Very, very simple, minimalistic look, which I'm a huge fan of. These scales are, like, of course, like full titanium, and they have been like slightly stone washed to give this pretty cool look. And overall, they've been like rounded, beautifully chamfered all around. So they did a great job with this one. The blade is just classic Shirogorov style. In this case, there's just no jimping, just belly up to here and straight edge up to the sharpening choil. Beautifully executed with a very, very fine sandblasted kind of finish. The grind, it's like full flat, it goes up to the spine, and this is in a beautiful M390 steel, but you can also choose different options. The sound it makes, it's like this. Just fantastic, guys. This is serious business. It's beautiful. It's loud a little bit. It's not like quiet, but it's just solid, nice. Wow, there's some authority right there. And when you close it, it's like this. Very gentle, nice short clink, a little bit resounding, echoing kind of thing, but just beautiful, beautiful overall sound. The weight is 4.8 ounces, and there's a beautiful titanium sculpted clip with great fit and finish overall. The grip is phenomenal because of the chamfering that's going on in the handles. There are really no hot spots anywhere, not even like here. There's no jimping. This is the Nudist, and the action is like incredibly smooth. Opening and closing, guys, this is just butter. You don't need to wiggle that much. It's gonna just drop shot, like not like guillotine, but just like smooth guillotine. So just beautiful. Speed is gonna be perfect. Detent is just perfectly dialed in, and this single row bearing pivot action, it's not gonna leave you disappointed. So there you have it. This was my quick review of the Shirogorov F95. If you want to know more, please check out the full-length review, and thanks for watching, but stay tuned.